Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about current equations and the topic on first unit semiconductor diode. What are the current equations? Suppose what is the current equation in the semiconductor diode comes under the PN junction. Okay. First, this is the diode current equation. So, what is diode current equation? So, in PN junction diode, um, we have already studied about the diode current equation. So the diode current equation that stand for I is equal to Is into e power qb by n kgt minus 1. This is the equation of diode current. So here Is refers to the reverse saturation current. So the Is is the reverse saturation current. Q, you already know that it's an electronic charge with the value of 1.602 into 10 the power minus 19 coulombs, where here Kb is the Boltzmann constant and it has the value of 1.38 into 10 the power minus 13 joule per Kelvin. Okay, here T is temperature. Temperature is present in Kelvin, that is expressed in Kelvin. Okay, next one is V. V stands for voltage that across the diode. So next one is N, that is the ideality factor. Here N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, that is for silicon. Okay, this is the diode current equation. So what are the quantitative theory of PN junction diodes? Quantitative theory of PN junction diode. First, to derive the expression for the total current, we need to derive the expression for total current, and we need to know about the what is forward bias. So first we need to derive the expression for the total current, means we have to know the function of applied voltage. So we need to assume the depletion width as 0. First we need to assume the depletion width at 0. So we have to use the forward bias. When we apply the forward bias to the diode, hence holes are going to the, that is injected from the p side to the n side. The holes are crossing from p side to n side. So the concentration of the holes in the n side that increases. Okay. So the formula is p dash of n into x is equal to pn of x minus pn naught is equal to p dash of n into 0 e power minus x by LP. So here LP is the diffusion length for holes. Okay, diffusion length. LP is the diffusion length for holes in the n-type semiconductor here. Okay, so Pn of x. So Pn of x is equal to Pn naught plus p dash of n into 0 into e power minus x by LP. We need to shorten this formula. So here LP is the diffusion length. So by using the graph, the hole concentration, first the electrons are injected from p side to n side, then next one is the hole concentration from the p region, that is constant to the equilibrium. So that is constant means pp is equal to p naught. So the hole concentration that varies with distance in the n side. Okay, this is that's a figure shows that the hole concentration that varies with the distance. So at the edge of the depletion layer means the edge x is equal to 0. So here Pn is equal to Pn of 0. So the Boltzmann constant is exponential of V naught minus V by Vt. So the equation is Pn of 0 is equal to Pn 0 into e power V by Vt. So we need to find out P dash n of 0. Okay, by using the Boltzmann relationship of kinetic energy, we need to have a formula of Pp is equal to Pn e power V B power sorry, VB by VT. Okay, so where PP and PN are whole concentrations of in P and N materials and the space region also. VB is the barrier potential across the depletion layer. So consider a PN junction in the forward bias by the applied voltage. Our barrier voltage is decreases from its equilibrium. Okay, therefore VB is equal to V naught minus V. Okay, so we know the unbiased equation where P naught is equal to P naught into exponential V naught by Vt. So we elaborate the formula by cancelling V naught by Vt. We can get Pn of 0 exponential into minus V by T, that is equal to P naught. This is the value of P naught. So this is the boundary condition of the law of junction also. This equation is the boundary condition of law of junction. So finally we can get the total current. Okay, total current is the sum of Pn and Np. Okay, therefore we need to add the current of Pn and Np. By adding the currents, we can get I is equal to I naught into exponential V by Vt minus 1. Okay, so here I naught is the reverse saturation current.